Hi.
Hi.
I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy and Leah.
Yeah, it's Mommy and Leah. It's raining.
It's raining.
We decided to go outside and play in the rain. We're gonna make a movie of it. Ready? Here we are.
I see it.
Here we are. We're gonna go play in the rain, right? Let's go out there. Come on.
It's raining.
See, it's raining outside.
It's
So wet. We're gonna play in the rain. Woohoo! We're getting all wet. Oh no! Ah! Oh, it's so wet. Did you want to go back in? Okay, Leah changed her mind. She wants to go back in because it's too wet. All right, let's go back in.
It's wet.
Oh, did we get wet? Did we get wet? There's a raindrop on our camera. Let me see if I can clean it off. There. I think that's better. Is that better?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Are you going to clean it on my shirt? I'm probably going to stop the recording.
No.
Oh, we got it. Look, all better. Hi.
Hi.
We just played in the rain. But it was really wet, wasn't it?
It's really wet.
So we had to come back in.
Come back in.
Because Leah doesn't like getting wet.
It's
Nope.
stress. Uh-oh. We fell off.
What fell off? The leaves? That's okay. They're supposed to. It's fall. They can fall off. It's all right. I love Leah. Okay, let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.